this video, I will show you how to verify HEB account. So first of all, go to any web browser, then search for HEB. Click on heb.com. After that, this page will open. In the top right corner, you will see this cart icon. Right beside it, there is a profile icon. Simply click on it. Then from here, log into your account and click continue. Once you have logged into your account, you can click on the profile icon again. Then there you will find personal information section. Click on edit. Then add your number there. Then click on verify number. Now your number will be sent with a code. Once you get the code, simply put in the code and then click on verify. After that, your HEB account will be verified. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below. Thank you for watching.